evening and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Wrap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. Equity markets actually took a break after last week's 4.5% gain. Benchmark indices did not fare very well, although they did start off in the green. Global rating agency Fitch said that it has lowered its FY13 guidance for India's GDP to around 6%. It also said that the Q2 GDP at 5.3% confirms a slowdown, economic slowdown in India. The BSE Sensex finally ended around 35 points lower at 19,305 and the Nifty fell around 9 points to end at 5871. Broader markets in fact did much better. The BSE Mid-Cap Index was up around 1.2% and the BSE 500 Index gained around 0.23%. If you look at sectoral indices, there too there were many on the gaining side, whereas only a few were there on the losing side. This too underlines the positive mood in the market despite what global rating agency Fitch said today. Among sectoral gainers, the BSE Realty Index was the biggest gainer, up around 1.35%, and the BSE Metals Index was also up around 0.85%. On the declining side, BankX was the biggest loser, down 0.4%, but that was mainly led by heavyweight HDFC Bank, which was down around 2.4%. If you look at individual stocks, there were some groups that did well. Airline stocks had a good day again. SpiceJet and Jet Airways were both up around 5%, thanks to some stake sale news in recently. Also, there was another group of credit rating companies whose stocks did very well today. CRISIL Limited was up around 10% and ICRA was up around 20%. There is no real news behind that. The only related news is that CARE, which is another rating agency, announced its IPO price band at 700 to 750 per share for a share of 10 rupee face value. That gives the company a valuation of around 17 to 18 times on historical price to earnings. Surprisingly, this is cheaper than CRISIL and ICRA, so it's not sure why those shares rallied today, but that is the only related news there. If you look at some large caps in the Sensex, other than HDFC Bank, Bharti Airtel was down around 1.8%. Some profit booking there after the recent run-up. And on the gaining side, there were some PSU stocks. BHEL was up around 1.6% and SBI gained around 1.2%. This fortnight, there are 3 IPOs lined up, so experts think that the action will actually shift to the primary market from the secondary market. Let's wait and watch. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.